Good morning, YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon-to-be #1 YouTube host. All right, fam. I just left the gym. We got a good workout in. We got some cardio in on the rowing machine. We got about 3 sets of that in. I actually got in some treadmill. I didn't record that, but then we got in some chest. We did some incline. We did some flat bench, and we went around the whole gym, and we got the whole chest workout in. We got some abs in, and so we're feeling real good about ourselves. So, in the spirit of, wrong key. All right, family. So in the spirit of good health, I have a recipe. Well, not a recipe, well, a technique I want to try in the Hot Logic, and it's something I haven't tried before, something I haven't seen before. So we're gonna go up to the park, we're gonna set up, we're gonna put on this little bitty healthy breakfast little invention of mine, and we're gonna see how it works. And y'all are going along for the ride. So all right, family, y'all stay tuned, and I'll meet y'all up at the park. All right, family, we're here at the park. As you can see, I've already turned on the Hot Logic in advance, so we can go ahead and get that puppy heated up. All right, family, this is a real simple little process, but what's unique about it is we've never really used a vessel other than those aluminum foil or one of my little plastic containers to cook with in the Hot Logic. These are these little small casserole dishes, whatever you call them. I'm sure there's an official name for them. But I want to try to use these in the Hot Logic with basically just a little breakfast dish, a little egg dish. So let's go ahead and get this all set up and get it going. So we're going to go ahead and just drop these two right down in the Hot Logic like so. Boom. Super simple. Let's go ahead and coat that with a little bit of olive oil. My concern is that trying to heat this up through a portion of a ceramic dish may not be ideal for the Hot Logic since it only gets up to 165 degrees and we're transferring heat. But that's what makes this channel unique. That's what makes what we do unique. We test things, we find out things, and we're gonna see what will and what won't work. All right, family, so let's go ahead and just crack these eggs. 1 egg each. Oh, by the way, I saw something on Facebook a couple of days ago, a couple of weeks ago, and one of the questions, and it was actually an ethnic question, and it was about, it asked black people, who cracks their eggs and puts the shell back into the original egg carton? And most of us said, we do. I don't really do that, but Lady Red does. As soon as I finish here, I'll take these over to the garbage can and throw them away. The reason I don't do that is because it makes it all sticky and gooey and ucky inside the bin and inside the little container, and I don't care for that. All right, family, ingredients we'll be using today: bacon bits. There should be some cheese. That's just some dollar store cheese, shredded cheddar cheese, and my favorite should be in here somewhere. Here we go. Some pico de gallo. All right, family, so we already cracked the eggs in. We're not going to break up that yolk or anything. We're simply going to, let's put the cheese on last. Let's go ahead and put the pico de gallo on. Just going to take our fingers, drop a little pico de gallo in there. Boom. Now that's how it looks. Whoa, that's how it looks after the pico. Super simple. Let's go ahead and drop a little cheese on. You know what? Let's do the bacon bits next. Bacon bits. Now, let's go ahead and sprinkle that cheese on top. Bring y'all in for the finale. All right, family. There you have it. Now we're not going to put a top on that. We're gonna just leave that open. We're gonna close the Hot Logic, leave that open. We're gonna take us a walk. We're gonna mess around here in the park for about half hour, 45 minutes. We're gonna come back and check it. I believe that's gonna take considerably longer than 45 minutes. It's according to how you want your egg, how cooked do you want your yolk. So we're gonna go ahead and just cover that up. We're not gonna drive anywhere. We're just gonna hang out here in the park for 45 minutes or so. If they're not done, I've got a lot of errands at the house to work on because right now we're in the middle of that renovation. And if you're watching the other playlist on the channel, you'll see the one where it says, just remove the wallpaper, she said. That's what we're in the middle of, a huge renovation. So if you hadn't watched that playlist and you like seeing things kind of go frantically overboard, then you'll want to go watch those videos. All right, family, we're going to go ahead and close the Hot Logic up. We're gonna go ahead and clean up our area by throwing away our eggshells, putting our cheese up, sealing up everything. We're gonna take us a walk, mess around here in the park, and I'll see y'all in about 45 minutes. For y'all, it'll be a couple of seconds. For me, 45 minutes. See y'all soon. All right, YouTube family. We're at the 1 hour mark on our Hot Logic breakfast casserole. As y'all know, we got a lot going on right now. We got the house renovation going on. The carpenter crew is here and they're working diligently on getting the house done. So I decided to come back home instead of staying in the park because there's too much here to be done for me to be relaxing right now. So with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at this casserole and see what it's looking like. Ta-da! Ooh, thumbnail. That's gonna look good. All right, family, you can see that yolk is still a little less than what I like. And it's like I said, we're exactly at the 1 hour mark. So we're gonna let that sit. I got a lot of errands to do. Okay, this is Thursday. I think like the 22nd of February. And I wasn't planning on staying in the RV, so we got to level the RV. I got to go in and make sure the contractors got everything they need. I need to go to the bank, do some financial stuff. So we got a lot going on. So we're going to let this ride, especially now that it's firmed up, so we can move around. I don't have to worry about this shaking or jostling around. It can do whatever. And if this doesn't, oh, that one's stuck. All right, if this doesn't work the way we like it to, I have these two other containers. They're casserole dishes, but they have a lid on top and they have a hole in it. And there's a special name for them. You can't find them anymore. I bought them from the dollar store years ago, like 10 years ago, and I've got like 3 or 4 of them. So if this doesn't work, we'll see if it works better with those containers. All right, family, I've yabbed on enough. So let's go ahead and we're gonna shut this back down. We're gonna go take care of our errands. And when the time I'm done, this should be about 2 hours in. Matter of fact, hold on for a second. All right, fam, before I shut this completely down, I wanted to kind of, you know what? That's just the top part of that yolk. This is actually, fam, I may have spoke too soon. I am glad I checked this. This is actually almost ready. It's just that little top peak of that yolk was sticking up. And what I didn't do, now this one is not quite as done. I don't know why. There shouldn't be hot spots in the Hot Logic. But this one right here, and I didn't put any seasoning in there. Maybe I should have. But while we're doing this, let's go ahead and take a bite. And this video might be coming in for a landing, y'all. All right, fam, let's see what we're working with. Check that out. I should do like the introverted nomad. She always says the first bite is for you all. So there you go. Taste that. Boom. Might be a thumbnail. Let's see. Let's get real pretty right there. Boom. Yeah, oh yeah. Let's get the Jeep in the background. All right. Thumbnail. All right, fam. Let's taste that. off the chain. It doesn't even need salt. I guess that bacon, those bacon bits, it could use a little bit of pepper. Y'all here gonna hear a lot of construction going on in the background, family, like y'all know what we got going on. But family, Hot Logic, casserole, mini casserole dish, whatever those officially call, you know I'm gonna have it listed in the description, or I'll have it coming across the screen. But family, we're gonna go ahead and bring this one in for a landing, y'all. That is freaking delicious. Think about it. I probably can get 3 of those in there, maybe. Yeah, oh yeah, maybe 4. I might be able to get 4 of those in there. Think about it. 1 each. Lady Red, 1 of those would do her just fine. 2 for me, and maybe 1 for a guest, or 1 and 1 for 4 people. Family, I think we done found ourselves something. All right, YouTube family, if y'all enjoyed this video, y'all give your boy a thumbs up, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.